Hello and welcome to the AI Learning Place. This is a series where curious agents explore the world of artificial intelligence. Each week we'll explore different topics of AI, from the basics to the latest advancements. And today we'll be covering the overview of this week's topics. First, we'll look at the anticipated AI trends for 2025, exploring what experts predict for the near future of technology. Then, we'll discuss the ongoing debate about artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and whether we will achieve it by 2025. And finally, we'll introduce the basics of neural networks and universal approximation theorem. These topics will give us a glimpse into the dynamic world of AI as it evolves at a rapid pace. Are you ready to start this journey? Let's get started. By 2025, predictions from IBM Technology show that we're looking at some exciting developments that will change how we interact with technology every day. First up, imagine AI systems called agentic AI. Think of us human, but even smarter. We'll be able to think, plan, and solve puzzles that are super tricky, helping out in all sorts of jobs from healthcare to tech support. Then, there's something called inference time compute. It's like giving the AI a moment to think before it answers you, which means it'll get better at giving you exactly the information you need. We're also talking about very large AI models. These are enormous brains with up to 50 trillion little knowledge bits called parameters. They help it understand complex things, kind of like reading a huge library in a blink. But it's not all about being big. Very small AI models are also super cool because they fit right into your smartphone or tablet, making sure everyone can have a little helper wherever they go. And guess what? With near infinite memory, it could remember every interaction with users, making our chats more personalized. It's like having a super memory that never forgets any of our preferences or needs. Lastly, the AI is getting better at working together with humans, thanks to human-in-the-loop augmentation. This means AI can be a better partner at work, helping you do your job more efficiently and with less fuss. These are some fascinating inventions, and maybe we can see how humans use all these advancements to make life easier and more fun. And speaking of advancements, let's shift gears and explore a really big question. Can AI actually think like us by 2025? Sabine Hossenfelder's video tackles this intriguing possibility. Now, as we've seen, AI systems like OpenAI's Model 03 are getting really good at certain tasks. They can code super fast and handle complex problems, showing us just how far AI has come. But when it comes to tasks that require a deep intuitive understanding, like figuring out tricky problems humans solve without a second thought, well, AI still has a long way to go. For example, there's a thing called abstract reasoning and pattern recognition problem. It's a kind of puzzle that's a piece of cake for us humans, but really throws a curveball for AI to solve. Despite all its coding skill and speedy calculations, Model 03 can't quite grasp it like we do. This tells us that AI's understanding isn't quite on par with human intelligence just yet. And it's not just me saying this. Big thinkers like Sam Altman from OpenAI believe that machines will soon outperform humans in many ways. However, other experts like Yann LeCun from Meta, who's also a professor at NYU, remind us that achieving true AGI, where machines can match human thought, is probably still a bit down the road. This raises a super interesting point. Should we just keep enhancing the models we have, or do we need to start thinking outside the box to truly achieve AGI? Maybe there are entirely new ways to approach AI development that we haven't even thought of yet. What do you all think about this journey towards true machine intelligence? Are there other paths we should explore to help AI think more like us? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep this fascinating conversation going. Between the influential opinions and interviews, we have insights from Wes Roth on AI self-improvement and hear from top industry experts like Jim from NVIDIA and Sam Altman of OpenAI about their predictions for 2025. It's intriguing to think about how AI is not just evolving, but actually improving on its own capabilities. What does this mean for the future of technology? How will these advancements impact industries and our daily lives? Jim Fan's projections might reveal new trends in hardware and software integration, while Sam Altman's reflections could offer a broader vision of AI's role in society. Their views provide a compelling glimpse into a future where AI could fundamentally alter our world. What specific changes are they predicting? How reliable are these forecasts, considering the rapid pace of AI development? Exploring these questions not only deepens our understanding of AI's trajectory, but also prepares us for potential technological shifts. Now let's switch to a key component of AI technology that represents this rapid advancement: neural networks, introducing how it works, almost like our brains. These fascinating systems use layers of something called neurons to understand and recognize patterns in data, like figuring out handwritten numbers. Imagine each neuron as a tiny detective, analyzing bits of information and passing on its findings. These neurons work together in layers, and as data moves through each layer, the network gets better at making sense of what it sees. Now you might wonder, how do these neurons make decisions? They use weights to give importance to the information they receive, and biases to help fine-tune their responses, kind of like adjusting their glasses to see better. And all this happens super fast with the help of something called matrix operations, which let them process tons of data at once. It's pretty cool how they learn and improve, just like us learning from experience. So, that's a quick peek into the brainy world of neural networks. Isn't it amazing how they mimic our own brains to solve problems? Besides that, we have the Universal Approximation Theorem, which focuses on how neural networks can model any continuous function with the right activation functions. Dr. Panat demystifies the theorem with intuitive proofs and clear visualizations, showing the importance of nonlinear activation functions, like the rectified linear unit, also known as ReLU for complex modeling. The lecture highlights the necessity of specific training adjustments for different input ranges via graphs, functions, Desmo website, and so on, which setting the stage for more advanced machine learning discussions. Finally, let's talk about a topic that we haven't mentioned, but still really is important, which is Python in the world of artificial intelligence. It's a programming language that is easy to learn, with simple, readable syntax and incredibly versatile. I've used Python myself for projects like building a music player app with Pygame, and working on the back-end and front-end of a journaling website in a group project. It's amazing how Python can be used for so many different things, from web development to AI. In AI, Python shines because of its powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, which make tasks like deep learning and machine learning much easier. Tools like Jupyter Notebooks let you write, test, and tweak your code instantly, making it great for experimenting. Plus, Python's features like list comprehensions for quick data processing, f-strings for clean formatting, and slicing for handling datasets make it perfect for AI projects. Whether it's big AI systems or simple apps, Python gets the job done. Have you tried it yet? If not, I highly recommend giving it a go. And that wraps up our adventure into the exciting world of AI for today. If you find the contents interesting, please check out the amazing channels in the description below. I hope you found the topics as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI explorations, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to dive into more AI content with you in our next video. Until then, stay tuned.